Okay, for today, we're going to make our pattern for short sleeve blouse. So, we have here our body measurements. So, this is my body measurements. You have sleeve, shoulder line 16, bust line 36, waistline 28, hip line 36, bust point 10, figure length 14, full length 24, bust distance 7, BC or back chest 7.5, front chest 7, and sleeve length 7, the circumference we have 6 or 12. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So first, you are going to make a margin 2 inches up, and then from here, from the left side, you have 2 inches. So first, you are going to locate your desired length of your blouse. So you have the desired length or the full length of your blouse is 24. So mark here, full length 24. Okay. So, and then start from the top. You have 5S, 7S, or 5 standard, 7 standard. So 5S the chest line, 7 is the neckline. Then you have the bust line, which is 9S. So you can use here for the standard of your bust, for the small size 8, the medium or medium size is 8.5, for the large size 9. For me, I consider myself as large, so I'm going to use 9. And then it depends upon the actual body structure. So you have here, next to that is the bust point, which is 10, figure length 14, and full length of 24. Next, you are going to make partition line. The neckline, the chest line pala, neckline, then bust line, and then the bust point, then figure length, and full length. Okay. So from the top, we're going to measure the 3S for the neck, 3S, and then proceed to your shoulder line, which is 8. From the shoulder line, you are going to down 1 and 1/2. Then connect using ruler from the 7 to 3, and then from 3 to down 1 and 1/2. Okay, to locate for the back and front, because the pattern that we are making is the front and back pattern for blouse. So you have 1/2 up and 3/4 from the original, from the lines, shoulder line. So you have 3/4 down, then from here 3/4 up, 1/2 down, because kung 1/2 dito, 3/4 dito. So kung 3/4 dito, 1/2 dito. So connect using ruler. So now this is your back shoulder line, and this is your front shoulder line. So this is now X. So for the back neckline, just connect using fringe curve. Okay? And then measure tayo dito from the chest line ng back chest at saka front chest. So 8, kung 8 yan siya, we have minus 1/2. So this is your BC. 1/2 again, this is your FC. And then from the, this is your neckline, this is your bust line. And from the bust line, measure to the right, you have 9. So bust line is 9. And then bust point, connect natin using ruler the measurement for, you have the front and front using fringe curve. So you are going to connect using fringe curve. And the back, and the bust line. Okay. So, yan na siya. Then, bust point, bust distance. So, you have 3 and 1/2. 3 and 1/2. Until full length. Then, connect using ruler. So, this is your bust distance, and bust distance. So, you have get 1/2 side by side for the dart. Then, connect. Yan. Then, you measure from the figure length, which is 14. Measure to the right for the waistline. So, we have our waistline is 7 plus 1. So, this is 8. 1 because we're going to sew 1 inch for the dart. So, that is why we're going to add 1 inch also. So, for the hip line, you have 9. So, this is your hip line, which is 9. Then, connect using hip curve from bust line to the waistline. Then, the reverse side of the hip curve, connect from the waistline to the hip line. Okay, we're going to get the side dart, which is half of this. From the bust point to the figure length divided by 2. And then, 1/2 the distance here. So, you have 1/2. Okay. So, connect using ruler. Yan, 1/2. Then, dart. Side dart of 1/2, 1/2. So, connect. Okay. And then, for the button and buttonhole. So, you have 3/4. So, connect. Okay, so you connect. Okay. So, you have the distance between the buttons. From here, you have 3/4, 1/2, 3/4. So, measure ka ng 1/4, 1/4, tapos 3/4. Dito. Yung butones. Okay. Butones ni muna. Then, you have, measure tayo ng armhole natin. Back armhole. You add the front armhole. So, you have here, armhole equals 17 and 1/2. So, divided by 2, that is, fold mo lang. So, you have 8 and 7/8. So, you have 8 and 7/8. 8 and 7/8. Minus ka ng 1/2. So, you have 8 and 3/8. So, ito yung armhole mo. Because, bilang ka ng 4 lines backward. So, 8 and 3/8. So, gawa tayo ng pattern for sleeve. So, you have here 6, 4S, then 7, 1 inch for allowance. So, you have 4S, 7 SL, then 1 inch for allowance. Okay. Position line. Okay. So you have here, dito tayo mag-start ng curve sa 1S. And then, locate natin yung 8 and 3/8. So, ayan. Tatlong row. Then, connect using fringe curve. So, you start here from 1S. Then, you measure the circumference. You have 6. From the sleeve length, measure ka to the right, 6. So, you have to connect using ruler. Okay. So, that is your pattern for your sleeve. And then, we're going to make the pattern for the color. You have from 7 and 3 plus 1/2. That is why 10 and 1/2. So, 10 and 1/2 by 2 and 1/2 yung standing ng collar natin, yung tayo. So, you have 2 and 1/2. Okay. So, we're going to make rectangle shape. Then, extend ka ng 1 1/2 from the right. Then, up ka ng 1/2. So, connect and connect. So, this is your collar for your sports collar for your blouse. So, that is now your pattern, the front and back pattern for short sleeve blouse. This is short sleeve blouse, 7 inches. Then the collar.